Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another tutorial. So today I thought I would do something which kind of involves autumn colours. Now today is a full drugstore autumn makeup tutorial and I'm really excited because I've used a few new products and I've also used products that I haven't used for a very long time and I'm really happy with this look. I feel like now that I'm looking out the window that summer has basically gone. I know in America like you call it fall and things like that, but I know in England we do call it autumn, so I do feel like autumn is coming and today I just thought I wanted to sit here and do like a really autumn look and I just wanted to put like a really cute jumper on. I did get this one from River Island and it is like a American football jumper, but I absolutely love it. But yeah, I came up with this look on my eyes today, so if you want to see how I got this look then please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram page and also give this tutorial a big thumbs up. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to dip into the Mint Chocolate palette from iHeartRevolution and I'm going to take this very light soft brown and to start buffing this into my crease, I'm going to blow this out. This is our transition colour for today, so you're going to make sure this is really nice and blended. Then I'm going to pick up this burgundy shade and I'm going to pop it in my inner corner and also on my outer corner and also into my crease. Then once I've applied that, I'm then going to take a fluffy brush with an extra product on the brush of that same shade we applied earlier. And as you can see, this shade does kind of disappear when you blend it out, which is a shame because it's such like a really nice colour. But I didn't let it dishearten me. I just kept on applying this shade throughout this look and kept packing it on. And then once I did that, the shade didn't go anywhere. So yeah, I'm just blending that shade out. Then I'm going to take the transition shade we applied in the first place and just blend out any harsh lines. I'm then going to take a mixture of these browns and then also place it over the top of that burgundy shade just to start deepening up and adding a little bit more definition in those areas. Then I'm going to do the exact same thing I did earlier, which is apply a bit of that burgundy shade but also a bit of the dark brown onto that brush and start buffing it into my crease but also blending the colour out as well. Then I'm going to take the brush that we applied our transition shade with no extra product on. I'm just going to concentrate on blending out any harsh lines. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit more of a darker brown. Then I'm going to pick up some concealer and then I'm going to start creating the spotlight. So as you can see, I'm just carving out the centre of my lid and just above my crease as well. Now I'm not going to set it because I do want it tacky for this pressed glitter that we're going to be using, which is actually the same palette as well. I've used it in another tutorial before and it's absolutely a gorgeous gold colour. So I'm just going to put this in the centre of my lid. Then I'm just going to slightly blend the edges of that so it doesn't look too harsh. Then I'm just going to take this like very subtle glitter and just place it on the centre of my lid and just over a bit of that burgundy shade, just so it blends all nicely together. Now this step is optional, but I'm just going to apply some glitter glue to the centre of my lid, and then I'm going to go in with the Ted Baker loose glitter. Now trust me guys, this is definitely a drugstore glitter. I did get this in a set like ages ago from Boots, and honestly it was really inexpensive, so don't worry, any kind of gold glitter will do for this look. I just wanted a bit more of a pop, so I applied the glitter. And then for liner today, I'm not going to do a wing, I'm just going to do a basic line just so it lines my lashes for the false lashes, which I'm using the number 7 liquid matte eyeliner. Then applying some number 7 mascara just to prep them for the false lashes. Now I actually forgot I use this primer. It's not very expensive at all, but I don't know why I use this Urban Decay one. I know it's a drugstore one, so I do apologise about that guys, but it is the only primer that I use now, and I don't seem to own any drugstore primers just because I don't usually seem to suit my skin. But honestly, if you have a drugstore primer, go ahead and apply that. But then I'm just going to apply some Ardell wispy lashes, which also you can pick up from your local drugstore shop. Then again, applying a little bit more mascara from number 7. Then for foundation today, I'm going to go in with the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I'm going to mix 2 shades together, so I'm going to mix the F6 shade, which is the lightest shade I'm applying now, and then I'm going to apply the F7 shade, which I'm applying now, and then blend it out with a damp beauty blender. I absolutely love this foundation. It is currently one of my favourite ones. It's just absolutely amazing. I love what it does to my skin. Then I'm going to contour using the shade F8 from their foundation range as well. I just thought I'd pick up a darker shade, and to be honest, these foundations also do work great to contour as well. So yeah, I'm just using a damp beauty blender to blend that in as well. Then I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Super Size Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C6, and just highlight and conceal any areas of my face, and then also blend that out with a damp beauty blender. Then I'm going to go in with the Collection Sheer Loose Translucent Powder and just set my concealer in place. And then after a while I've let that baking sit, I'm going to go in with my number 7 pressed powder and just set the rest of my face, but also remove the baking that I applied earlier on. Then for bronzer and contour today, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution bronzer. I haven't used this for like such a long time, and I forgot how good and subtle the bronzer actually was. So then just to deepen it up a little bit and make my cheekbones look a little bit more chiseled, I'm going to go in with the Technique Colour Fix Highlight and Contour palette and use the 2 darkest shades in their palette. I'm then going to highlight my face using the Soph palette from Makeup Revolution and just use the very bronzy shade and the one above that just to highlight my face. I'm also going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bones using those shades as well. Then for blush, I'm going to go in with I Heart Makeup in the shade Blush. And I'm just going to apply this to the apples of my cheeks. Then setting my brows in place using the Maybelline Brow Mascara in the shade Dark Brown. Then I'm just going to carve out my cheekbones. And then moving on to the lower lash, I'm just going to pick up the same burgundy shade and the dark brown just to define my lower lash a little bit. Then I'm just going to add a little bit more of mascara to the tops and bottoms of my lashes using the number 7 mascara. Then I'm going to set my makeup in place using the Makeup Revolution Oil Control Setting Mist, and then once that's set, I'll just be bouncing my damp beauty blender over my face so it melts all my makeup nicely together. And then for lipstick today, I went in with the L'Oreal Lip Paint in the shade 211 Baby, and then over the top of that just went in with the number 7 lip gloss. And then yeah guys, this is the end result. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this tutorial a big thumbs up. But until next time, I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys!